12. Jafari, Jaluna, let's be push. Yeah, we it. Happen. I don't gonna if we it. All right. Jafari, Jaluna. No man, Jafari. The thing with Luna, man. And Jaluna because but the daycare. Find me. Huh? Right now, make up get in him. Hold on, good. So I really want. Yeah, this one I just look so. No, you go. I come on the touch. Yeah. Good boy, DJ Allo. Take care of yourself, people in this pandemic. Play the music. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right. Want to say good night and welcome to the podcast. Welcome to South Coast Podcast Raw episode 22. And the Lord.
Yeah, episode 22.
And we're there at the 12th for this year. I'm your host, your boy, Frank Atri Magdaleno.
And I'm your boy, Lord Byron from the Galaxies. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to South Coast Podcast Raw.
Sure,
We're transmitting live on DYFA TV and DYFA Radio. We are also live inside DYFA Studio. Hot off the press, we're transmitting live too. Big up Kush Barbershop. Big up Jaluna Bitters, Gary Maya, BZE. You know, we got the merch out. So make sure to get yours.
No germs.
Just contact myself or a tree and get your no germs merch. Fresh. Hot. Big up DJ Rude Boy, Conflict Music. Big up DJ Allo. Get the sounds. Don't know the thing set yet. Before we go further, we just want to have a moment of silence, you know, for Baba Castillo.
Yeah.
Right, Atri?
Have to give respect where you do. So we'll take a minute, 60 seconds, and pay tribute to Alan Baba Cass. Good to go. Rest in peace.
Yeah, man.
Maestro.
Rest in peace, sir.
The General. Boss.
Yeah.
Rest in peace. But good night once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, with people in the diaspora, those abroad, those locked in with people them from Barranco all the way to Libertad. I want to say good evening, good night to each and every one. Hot. Fiery. Sukati, a fire. Well, I kind of fiery, but the weather changed for me. Early this morning, so it calmed me down. Calm me down. You feel me?
Think I almost get Sukati for the Sukati
pass. Yeah, for the Sukati pass. So things calm me down. So we may have a couple guests tonight, but they call me due to the weather. We may have a guest traveling. Another guest, the pressure gone up. So they're not on my set. It happened. So I decided to reschedule and postpone that setting. So good night, everybody. Welcome to South Coast Podcast, Rama boy.
Yes, brother.
By with ya.
Yes, man.
We usually recap of stuff what happened over the weekend.
Yeah.
Into the week.
Well, South Coast about entertainment.
That we that.
Right? We about, culture, food.
Entrepreneurship.
Mm-hmm. We about motivation. Mm-hmm. We about inspiration. We about education.
That's it.
Our elevation.
Remember, for your motto, if you're there, we carry you. And while you're there, we carry you. We up there.
Yeah.
To the galaxies.
You know what I'm saying?
To the moon. To the stars.
Well, actually, the weather bad out there. So, we're there yard.
African home.
Right? And, apart from that, we there both
outside.
You think?
Yeah.
Check. So yeah, boy. So since we did a both good,
that day we did.
Right? I know the team is out there. We made the broadcast out there, and we were also we made the shoot live.
Yes, man.
Right? So what do you think about the show and thing? I mean, I just made a view it, from what I view, for why I made a view, it may look,
honestly,
it look nice, but only why I made it for, made to get the bird's eye view of where they going,
Now we didn't bring it, but
yes, I.
First thing first.
Yeah.
We start late on our broadcast because DYFA, we play only Garifuna or culture music. So when the DJ then they play, we are never shoot because we don't have rights. You understand me? So when the band they come on the Broadway show, that's when we start. I get like about 10 to 15 calls from America when we are start. And I try to explain to them that anytime when the band get on the stage and artists get on the stage, then we are start shoot. When we do a pre-shooting, but just to make the crowd know that, or the people on the live know that we're both and we're going live.
Yeah.
Right? Everything was nice. I mean, the ambience.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you must understand that DYFA is a licensed and registered business.
Yep. So we can.
So they have
certain restrictions.
They have certain restrictions.
We have to go
abide by. And certain policies. With the under the levels where DYFA is registered, and
we have to abide by.
We have to abide by. So that now basically what is going on, and that was what went on.
Yep.
Right. So actually.
Boy, well, Dangriga, I can tell you something about Griga. If you can't take, you see now, because of the universe and a lot of things, they call it bully. But bruh, we grow up here, and if you're not used to teasing, then you can't call it the other than Griga. So now that one new word, bullying. But we tease each other that It's nothing to us. Right? Marie Sega was showing away we teach you with about how you come home and purchase land and how you do it and link up the same way how you come here and when you go for 1 on 5 and 6 and come back here and don't know about humor, you tighten up. Right? I want to tell you this seriously. I take my shades off. When it comes about humor, you tighten up. Because when you wind up the American and wind up after petty thing, we not into that there beliefs. We not into that there beliefs. So when you petty stuff, you keep to yourself and whining and you keep to yourself.
So that people from America may they
somebody and I could call name too, because that's why I go. Yeah. I will call on the name, you know why I got a liar no. I have a liar. So when I call on the name, I want to come after me, or I was soon too.
Yeah.
Cool.
I think you defend your brother more than anything else.
Hey, I have to defend my little brother, man.
Yeah.
That am I here after me.
Yeah.
So I have to defend him. So when you say, you see, all the way follow things, and the young lady gone on from the stage with her big shoes, with her big footwear, which was not for her, but she's smart, because she capture all of them where they follow. She's smart. She gonna borrow somebody footwear and gone on the stage with it, and we think it's hers.
Just for
for a hype. It's a fun. It's a weird agriga. Yeah. So when you come and take what you call it, bullying, quote unquote bullying. That was a new word where they take for it, but we know it's not bullying, it's entertainment.
Yeah.
It's entertainment. So you said this and that about my brother and our defender. And you could call her, that's how I tell her today. Behind my back. We ready. Well, I ready. I've been in this business over 18, 20 years, media. So I know my rights. I know my rights. So whosoever they cry and spill.
But I think you know, now nothing serious, man.
No man.
Now nothing serious, man. Now nothing to make we take serious, man. You know,
no
you
man.
Know, now Ali moment, moment, and you know, I mean, you know, you blow over, man.
Like a breeze. You know, but we take it to that level that we did disrespect the young lady and we did do this to the young lady, but it was not like that, man. We don't mean no harm to the young lady. We have no kind of negative impact on her, no day. No day. So folks, and then when a bash DYFA, because of the humor, we take it upon ourselves to share the little humor, as I think that it wasn't bad. You know, Maurice, welcome on set. '27, we are taking car pass on course. 2026.
Just send on the thing pan the message.
Yeah. Why? Gonna look good. Gonna look good to course throughout the world. And I see you guys on also on YouTube and make sure to check out the page, right? But
yeah, man.
It's not them because you know.
Yeah, because why? You know, we don't want that thing there. First of all,
we got bigger fish for fry.
Make I say, first of all, big up to Wax House.
Yeah,
right. So, Father big up on yourself for that show. You know, Dangriga need more entertainment like this. You know, and let's keep it going, guys. Let's stay on a positive note. You know, big up to all of the artists there. Come out and do a good show. Reckless, Vida, Super. Big up on yourself, right? So we're not lament on the negative because that's not where we depend.
No, but what I want to say about that, Lord?
And moreover, you know, you know, I really and truly, I don't really want to have that discussion. You know what I'm saying? Because to me, that just you know, it has no substance. You know what I'm saying? To me,
yeah,
you know,
Lord.
to me, it has no substance. You know what I'm saying?
I don't forget what I want to say, you know, because you know why? Because you're right, Lord. It has no substance, and it's something. We do this all the time. We laugh and that we life like we are. What I want to say, not about that. What I want to say though about and a tree hit by the knee by the head. Look, first time that people hear about the word bullying,
Yeah,
right? And they don't apply it to us.
yeah.
That apply, and you know what I noticed? America, yeah. So then, hey, you can't even. Why people they panic like you can't do that. You see they have for their lifestyle. When they do here, when they do, they sit back and watch DYFA live, and they're not even pay for going right. They ain't supposed. They're not even supposed to have no say.
Yeah.
Right. That's why my thing is like
They don't contribute.
They don't contribute, but then, so we have to realize that people who don't contribute but want to tear everything down.
Yeah.
Right. So we don't want to respond to none of that foolishness there, because then our movement is for the people and to uplift people. It's not never to bring down anybody.
Yeah.
Vida, in my thing, shouldn't have apologized because there's nothing wrong.
Yeah.
You understand? He's an entertainer. He entertain you in person, entertain you online, and the people who don't know the man, where they talk, people who don't know the man. If you know Vida, we know Vida. It's about fun and love, right? So like, it's I'm gonna put it like this. It's the Belizean American them, bro. And then you know it's the Belizean American them because
So you go to America, you know, come with that, yeah. You come back home with how you grew up, bro.
Yeah.
Somebody gone for ya, as they get a migraine, so much pills they want to take, then they know about pills.
Yeah.
So the same thing they have.
Right. Some people call me, and so I don't answer nobody, right? I just look at it. I don't answer it, and I respond. Some people say, "Why DYFA? Why? Oh no." I say, okay, next. Here what I go on. I start black them because then they don't deserve this niceness with DYFA and South Coast Raw. They push out. Right. So what we were doing. Right. The thing is,
and that's why we have to be careful of some of the things then where where we want to be that we want to be part of, things like that, they're like, I mean,
But the bottom line is, right, the bottom line about this, and I'm gonna say this and I get off and set so you guys to carry on with the show tonight because
no, like anyway.
Well, hold on. Why are they sitting, right? Okay, look at the scenario. People, first of all, you have to understand what Bowwoody is all about, right? Bowwoody is an event outside. It's an event where you have adults going out there to entertain themselves, entertain people. When they go there for right, when they do, everybody drink alcohol out there, drugs out there, people misbehave out there. It's a wild and freaking loud party. You know what I mean? So they're not church, ladies and gentlemen. It's not a place for worship. It's a place to have fun and just wild out. You understand? So this young lady, when they talk about, she's not an 18 or 19-year-old. She's a grown woman who calls attention on herself. She can put on somebody's shoes, and then they one who live that state, and then one who live that state, And then I hear one, and they try bash your brother, Vida, right? But and that you're not supposed to go personal after nobody.
But at the end of the day, but at the end of the day, right? Example. If you go, any, like, I mean, Belize now a free country, so they have a dress code. How you dress? They want tennis code. We live in a free.
Correct.
You know what I'm saying?
Correct. And we free of too.
You know, right?
Yeah.
So, you know what I'm
I
saying?
think that-
Everything nice. So anyway, gentlemen, right? I put big up Vida. Vida, big up yourself, Vida, all the time. You know what I'm saying? And you know, like what I said, sometimes we have to be careful of where we want where we make this track with.
Mindset.
You know where we make with this track with. Right? Sometimes we have to be careful of what we want to be distracted by.
All right, so make we do this. Make we do this. Make we do this. Make we do this. Now where we are, don't know. Bye. We will pick up the ball with the show, and we were there next year again.
Correct.
And then and all those. Well, I say what we are doing then, but I don't know if they will get to see the show next year. I just say, yeah. So we don't know because they're too sensitive. I thought, yeah. So I don't know if I'll make see the show next year. We don't know. I'm not saying they're going to see it, right? But when I say it, when I say, I don't know what they say.
When the competition starts, we not bring it on.
So
Right, before we go, right? Before I'm not going, but I want to take over the show right now. What I want to do, I want to give you, I want to give you guys a gift, man.
Oh man,
why?
Right.
This man I pull a gift now.
Right. All right. I went to Baliso on behalf of DYFA Soul Coach Ra, right?
Yeah, we have to talk about that trip.
Right, and I'm so excited because you guys have been so much, you guys' spirit and energy. It's for the people of Belize and people of Briga. And I took my time out, right? And look, and a man and woman, they try. We don't want to make any sabotage, we bros, because we're there for like, right, Manti. I bring you said this are for the volcanic ash of your ancestors, right? This is a shell for you. Never get rid of it, brother. That's for the volcano from the ashes of our ancestors, right? I got it straight from Balisau to you, right? That's what I did. I take my time out, right? Right?
Appreciate it.
Yes, man.
Real.
Yes, man.
Real.
Yeah. And I also brought one for you to a tree. Right? Right inside of it. See, these are
These are the sun.
Ashes and some of our ancestors' ashes are in there, right?
Yes, man.
Right. I had to bring it because then you could feel your people. Make sure you.
Thank you very much.
Yes, right.
Guys, this is
I bring it from Baliso, right?
This mean a lot, by.
Yes, man. I make sure that you guys get something
from homeland.
and then Jaluna come and hear the boss of this movement.
Right.
This is from Baliso to Jaluna. These are ancestors' ashes inside, right? And the shell, bro, right? And Jen, I bring you something too, right? Right? I bring you a rock, Jen.
Why?
Check this rock here. It's a volcanic for the volcano, and right? Right. So this thing, right? Right. So
that's heavy tonight, bro. Yeah. Real talk.
This thing I don't know to feel.
Yeah, this is a real energy right here.
Right.
See? Real.
So I feel cozy right now because then I make sure that our people and the people you guys are doing the job that the ancestors want us to do. All right. I make sure I got all the grave site, bro. I make sure that we get something that is from ancestors. These are 227 years old. All right, and you guys deserve it.
Yeah,
right? Nobody deserve it, right?
Appreciate it,
I don't bring no t-shirt or no shoes or nothing like that.
No, man.
Yeah, I make sure I dig it up.
Right.
I'm gonna rate that. And next to all the site, the grave site, right there. So
you bring this. So now I got grave dust and this shell. I got sand from my homeland, and I got some shells, more shells from my homeland. And I'm not gonna need it, but I have stuff from my homeland. So folks, you know.
Right, so how make we talk about that?
No. We will crush all the negativity, make we put everything behind, we make deep down into it, but
deep down into what?
Back off of that.
Into what?
We went deep down into a lot of things, but we went to the trip.
Yes, man. Now this is why I tell you, man. Now that's how we going, man. Realness.
About South Coast, but you know, Maurice have his own show, but I tell Maurice come on tonight so that he could explain to our listeners and viewers his experience of going home to motherland. Right? So we give him the privilege
to speak about that and enlighten our viewers and listeners of what happened and what took place in our land, our homeland.
And why?
And why they drove us away and give.
I guess some problem loving and
sure,
yes,
take us
man.
by.
But what the Jalu, the
Jalu now, what the
Jalu?
Jalu? Send out something,
Jalu,
man.
Let's sip it.
Jalu send out something, man.
You know, usually.
Yeah, never.
Send out
Never
something.
drink,
We
yeah.
never done the podcast,
No.
man.
No, he
But it's
never
it's
drink.
just yeah, out of the
Send out some, man.
Yeah.
Send out some that front, man.
He
Send out
never
some. Send out
drink,
some. Make we drink some now.
Yeah.
We take a sip. Make we take a sip.
It's serious.
Yeah.
Make we take a sip.
No, it's serious. He not do this, so he
Why?
have
What
this
a
story about
Actually.
the Lord.
Remember, support this. This is a
You
living
don't know
gem.
that. You don't know that we
Living gem.
are the ambassadors.
Ragame ease up.
Yeah, guys.
You don't know the France there, right?
Yeah. 1, 2,
Give me a
1,
France,
2.
man. Give me a France, man.
1, 2, 1, 2.
All right, guys.
1, 2.
Maurice, give the people this.
Make
what
we
you saw
make
first,
we start. We want to start, man. Why? No, man. No, we are get to that. We can't go. We don't want to go straight there. We want the audience to understand why we're gone at St. Vincent for this moment.
This 9 years of healing.
All right. Again, ladies and gentlemen, this trip, I want to thank this Confessora family for sponsoring this trip, man. This trip, right? They paid for everything, and they want us. The purpose was to capture the journey, going back home to see what it looks like, to share the experience with especially our people here in Riga and Belize. That was the purpose of this trip, and to see the struggles that our people currently today are going through in St. Vincent Euromay. That is the purpose. All right. The people in St. Vincent, they're going through a lot, the one who left. Here we go now. Whenever they exile us, boy, and this still happen.
Now exile.
Yeah, Shalimar.
Hey, what do you want with the way? We don't got them the bitters there.
Shalimar.
This energy heavyweight now. The vibe heavy. We got gift there. We for yard.
No. Only DYFA could do me this, boy. Only DYFA could do me this.
Why this man being tears to my eyes? Just
I feel it. I feel it to me. I still feel it.
No man.
So I'm sharing experience with these guys. Why the journey, and for people not to forget that we will come out here. We a little bit more fortunate than those left behind. We never know the life them they live when they drive us up. They never all where they drive. The 5,000 they carry that Sea Island where we get the dust from. They send 5,000 away the British, and 2,000 away 2,500 dead for starvation. That land there, they have nothing to drink, no water, my brother. Right? The soil red. Nothing no grow there. So how our people survived at the grace of God, and I could say from when I got there, a lot of turtle today. Turtle everywhere. The seas is very high. You can't swim in the water like how you feel like.
So then you can't left man there.
They just can't left and you can't swim because the river bring you right back. No way you could get away from that island. You are dead. And that's what happened to our people. They send us our people to perish in Balisau. Right? The ones who, when they were the wrong people forgot about Balisau, they escape and they run up in the hills. They call a place in Sunday.
They call them be cruel. They are so cruel.
They want to kill. They may want to kill everybody. That was their purpose. Was genocide of the Garinago people. But we were resilient. The people stayed back. What bother me, which we have to understand. What bother me is that almost everybody that's St. Vincent, Garifuna. And they don't speak their language, but they're not for their fault.
They wipe with all
everything out of their head.
education or church?
Church,
everything.
education, the whole system.
How you think church come, bro?
Religion and division.
That what it is. And what happened is now, the war side, Jalu, right? No make they hear you the talk, Garifuna.
They want to kill you.
You are dead. They will kill you. They don't want to kill you.
Kill you.
You can't talk. You can't in a 3 or 4. You can't hang out.
As black, as Garifuna.
As Garifuna, they will kill you. So our people, that's why they look like we, they act like we,
But
but
they don't
just
speak
talk
like
like we. Because they never allow that to happen.
So then you know they're a Garifuna.
They know they're not Garifuna. That's the beautiful thing because they know. Everybody they know they're Garifuna, but they never proud to be a Garifuna. You can't say that a Garifuna walk on Garifuna because they will kill you or rape your sister front of you.
But remember one time I believe we never proud to be Garifuna.
Yeah, but remember
have a time. Let me have a time when Garifuna ever like no one be Garifuna, I believe.
Yeah, you can't. But you say when they do to we, that like it's called genocide because they never want you to survive. So make we have some sympathy for our people in Euromay. Because I may think before I gone that they may got it nice and cool and no, they never gone through a rough time. Because when I say we've been off it, I got it.
They don't
know
know
the weather,
mean.
but they're not their fault. But now they're willing to hear our we.
Yeah.
They're willing, they embrace us, they treat us like brother and sister. Like Euromay. Anytime you have, as a matter of fact, the government of St. Vincent said, our school will learn Garifuna. No. They got free house. Right?
Can I put in for a moment?
Sure.
Yes, man. Sure, man. Go ahead, Charlie, man.
One of the reasons why those things occurred, gentlemen, was when the Europeans and the French they may try introduce religion to our people, and our people refused, they denied it. So that made a straw we broke the camel's back. Why they ended up when they start to separate the Arawaks from the Caribs, make them fight against each other. And that never worked out. Just like you just said earlier, our people were resilient. You couldn't enslave their mind. You couldn't do none of that. And they fought to the bitter end. And then one day who get to and gone that Sunday, they were the ones who stayed behind while some of our people perished on the way to Ratan.
And another thing where we have to understand why we are so limited in beliefs, because when we remember that we were at war with the British, and when we got here, the British were here. They didn't even want us in the settlement. They didn't even want us here.
Well, you see what happened though. When our people end up, they go through all the things from Ratan, and they end up here at Belize. They end up in the hands of the same
people.
They end up breaking at the Europeans' their hands again, but we still never back down.
Yeah.
Our people still never back down. They rob them not only of their language, they rob them of everything humane to humane. And then yet now, when we come now and end up in the hands of the churches, end up in religion, we gone right back in the hands of the devil.
Exactly.
Or the devils.
So now,
how we were praying to the same God, where the same one where the kill away, that for him God too. How it don't make sense? We can't pray to this man God, the God where he used to kill away. Now the same God we are praying to, it don't make sense. This is religion, it don't make sense.
Religion and division.
but you say where people need to understand about religion, that they believe that religion was saved them, but that we ancestors and resilience save us from the British hands of the. Now we save ourselves.
But listen to me, listen to me, right? You say this thing,
This are belief and know, not two different things. Me not into no belief. I into know. I want know. Me not into no belief. Nothing belief. Belief what? Belief what? I want know. That's the way me there. I don't know about who there that believe. I don't know no belief. I don't believe in nothing. I want know. And I there.
All right. No, when it no.
So where I know about where they do for we ancestors, I know now where they do. And for we ancestors, I know how resilient we ancestors are. Why we supposed to be a proud people.
Yes. But again, that's why we need to know our history.
Yes.
So we can be stronger as a people.
You see it?
Exactly.
If we don't know our history, we were giving to anybody who are coming of we territory and take over we territory. Anything when they want, they will take away and freely give.
It don't happen.
They will take away with territory, with land, with sea, and with air space for we. They will take that way for we if we allow them to do that. So that's why Balisau and St. Vincent is important to us, because that is our roots. Once we strengthen we roots, we good, because then our people will multiply and they don't understand the strength of unity. Going back to St. Vincent, you are feel the chills when you get there. You are cry, even if you don't want to cry, because something just come over you.
The ancestors, the spirit strong.
They're there with we. They're there with we. Right? I want one more thing when it comes to this Balisau thing, right? Going to Balisau, there was an incident. Yes, I know you wanted to hear a little bit about
because this conversation where we have, you see, is the lead right into that experience there when on Ogan Craft to Balisau and how the weather changed, and the experience never nice.
Okay, first of all,
from where I gather,
that's true.
Videos where I see.
First of all, the spiritual leader that was with us, that's why we had a spiritual leader. The man say, I think his name is Carlos. Is it Carlos Chalemar?
Yeah.
Carlos Mariano. The Buye, he went. He said,
far away.
From Guatemala, Livingston. So he said, we only going for this island for 1 hour, do a thing, set with food, that is set food, and we pray, make we leave circle to the ancestors, and come off for Balisau, because something he felt or he knew was going to happen. But what happened now is that there were division. It was clear division amongst the Orinoco people going there. And we were saying we have to be together. Why there were division? There were division because there were personalities. People want to have egos. People want to say, oh, now me do this, now me do this, now me do this, now me do this, now me do this. It wasn't for the people.
Everybody want validation.
Correct. They want fame and glory and validation.
They want validation,
right?
Man.
So when the prayer happened, then they put it on, they film there, they shoot there. Look, we as DYFA, we shoot videos, but we know what to do. We know when to shoot and when not to shoot.
Right.
I didn't shoot none of the spiritual thing. Yes. That was out of bound. That was for ancestors. You cannot do that. I mean, they tell you no. But the thing is, unity is what our ancestors want, and if we not come together as a people, there is a lot of devastation that is going to happen whether we like it or not. So we have to tighten up. Mm-hmm. We spend more than that hour on that beach in Balisau, and that was the main thing. If we get off and he left, people still run out. People they all want to hike now. So when the weather come, this huge waves, I never seen waves like that in my life. They're like hurricane wave. I never see wave like that in my life. But I was on the boat. I happened on the boat. I had my camera gear. I said, you know what? I don't care if the camera drop in the water, but I going. But we were waiting for the other people was take with the car. Oh, no, come on. Then they take their only time. Some don't want to come, right? For some reason, the boat turned wrong. For the stern facing the wave.
So no then.
No, when a huge wave come and batter off the 300 engine, you have 300 engine. Those are some big 300. Just tear off the engine. I never say again. I'm like, where they going? You know,
Amazement.
right? So I just jump out of the boat. I say, me going back, probably. So no, because then the boat is full of water. No, I say, what? You know, I'm not going down today. Not today. I'm not going down today. Right? So now everybody come out of the boat. We try bail the boat, can't. More wave to come in. Call the Coast Guard. Coast Guard come. They try pull out. They hook the boat for the stern for spin it wrong. The rope pop about 4 times. 2 at a time. They lash some people get lashed on their back. Drop in and water there. I said, why everything their back? I said, where they going? Where they going? Then they get lashed. The 3rd, about the 4th or the 5th time now, the Coast Guard they come again, and we say, well, everybody have to work together for make we push this boat. So everybody come off of the beach, gone behind the boat, and side of the boat, while the Coast Guard boat, they pull the boat. So everybody that was on the beach push out the boat into a deeper waters, and so somebody jump in at the boat and gone on the catamaran. The Coast Guard pull the boat and tie it up at the catamaran. Another boat from the way out there, right? So we know about 30 of us remain on the island, including me. No boat. So the catamaran now have to send the lead lifeboat there to come pick we up off of the island.
Well, that's no problem now.
At the time, they make about so many trips back and forth.
Well, we'll see further away.
When we safer away. Right? So
Yeah,
that
figure on that lead boat there.
that lead boat there, we had to swim out there,
Yes, man.
throw a lead thing, the lifeboat over our body, and then pull way up in the boat. Right? And that's how we get out from there. Coming back from Balisau, man, we couldn't face the wave. We had to go way around our island named Beckway. Beckway is a part of St. Vincent as well. That's like how we got keys out there. They got wrong now because the key broke up the wave. So we have to go way around, take twice as much time to come back. The moral is real. This is a real life situation. We gotta come together.
Together next, bro.
We gotta come together.
That was a lesson learned to those who were paying spiritual attention. Nige Garifuna Wabagari. Who are the women Tida Sunkato? Garifuna Wabagari. So that's something much deeper than where the mind could ever comprehend. But right. Those who
I never see wave like that. I never see an engine get knocked off. How the engine come off and it broke off, just slip off like put off an engine, maybe tighten it tight. No. Broke off the engine off at the stand at 300 ton. I don't know, 40 or 60 that were 300 engine behind the boat get tear off.
Well, no.
Understand? It was a powerful experience. Yeah, but the thing is, I wasn't scared, right? That thing, I never scared because you know that they have you. Yeah, we were protected. I never scared at all.
Now just to make we understand, that we have to believe not believe, we have to know that we ancestors they are with we. Then they look over way. Then the guide way. Then they protect way. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and coming back, man, everybody was hugging each other. People was crying. And they start singing songs. The drums start playing. But the boy me don't say no. The drum's not supposed to stop play. Everybody stop play the drum. I don't know why. They may tell them never stop play the drum. The ancestors, they may want to hear the drums play. They stop play the drum. And that I think that may a problem too. Because they may happy for see we. And we just the time may be okay, but we know they do the right thing.
Yeah.
Right?
You follow protocol.
You follow protocol or what the ancestors want us to do. Correct, because that drum may
bring everybody together.
Drum may bring everybody together.
Now vibration, bro. Vibration and energy.
Right, so I encourage At least, I mean, save on the money, save on the leave, you know what I mean, to take a trip out there. You know, we have people out there. Another encouraging thing is that you know, a lot of white people out there, no other race out there, right? A long Garifuna out there, and the Garifuna run things. Garifuna own car dealership. They own big restaurants. They own big resorts. They own they own everything, man. The supermarket, the Garifuna, they own anything there, right? The banks and stuff like that, and you know, the big stores and alone Garifuna own them. They don't Garifuna to work in there alone Garifuna. Check it out. So we have we own island. We have we own country. Why? And the other thing about the terrain, I got there. They gave me a vehicle, make I drive the first day. My mister, I want to drive one day. The hills,
Steep.
steep. The hills, hello. You see that alley we go through for football. If you go straight through to the main street there. That's how big the street. How big, small. And a 2 car have to go through that. And you talk about go uphill.
And that's why, and
check it out, and then wrong the hill and low and blind curve. You know where the car. I tell them about no take on the car and I can't drive.
One of the reason why then terrain, and one of the reason why give we the ability for me fight so long. So
why that place there?
You dig?
That place the mountains we live in then.
The mountains,
mountains.
The calves man got out there, no calves.
Why? But and I could tell you why too. There's a reason why the Garifuna woman are the most sexy and the most beautiful woman in the world, because they got like climb hill and everything just shape up. Everything is right.
Yes, man.
Everything is right and tight.
You know, see it.
Everything condition. Everything is in condition. A condition.
Super.
Yes, yeah.
yeah. Well, we have to pick up a woman there, now, Chalabar. You know, that where they come from.
Yeah.
Everything is right and tight.
I love where woman. There.
Okay, bro.
But the spiritual aspect of it, we have to get back to it. We cannot be afraid of it.
They said the boy in Mariano Catoy.
Thank you very much, Chele, Angela. Mariano. Oh, Carlos is his brother. Yeah, Carlos is his brother. Both of them. Right? So, Garifuna spirituality, we got to embrace it. You know, we got to embrace it, because the other thing to Banti, they never talk good about Garifuna spirituality. They will always talk bad. Everything about Garifuna, they talk bad about it.
I mean, you know, the colonizers, you know, they had taken a lot, you know, and they for a long time, you know, we have been brainwashed. Not only Garifuna people, but black people in general, you know, and a lot has been religion, farm, to make we feel that it's all right for what they were doing to us, you know. I mean, it was very bad. Why? It was very bad. I mean, that Atlantic slave trade was a very vicious moment, time in our life, you know. And I think that one of the worst time in our life, that Atlantic slave trade, you know. And man, you know, what a lot has been done by. You know, and
some of the things that I can't explain. Honestly, I can't explain it. A lot of things happen at St. Vincent and you, man, I just can't explain it, because then, you know, it's so real.
It's real, man. It's
right?
So real.
It's so real, man. Like you're feel.
No, like what you say. Like what you
that's not something you want. You don't want to make up nothing.
Like you can imagine. You can imagine them ballet just carry now ballet so I just dash we there without nothing.
Why?
You know. I mean, you can imagine all of the sickness when it happen out there.
Well, I'll give a chance right now, and then when we take our break, I'll show some of the photos, right? So people could say, I will show the raw photos too with tonight. So be ready. Put a disclaimer out there. So if you can't handle it, ladies and gentlemen, please.
Yeah.
So tonight we're gonna be showing
we're
gonna be showing some bones and some teeth,
man,
of our people, because. And they can't tell we can't show for thing, because then they can't tell we for though, because they don't drive we for we home, right?
They don't hide so
much.
They hide
deal.
so much from we. They hide so much from we. You know that right? There is so much for us to learn and to know of who we are, of who we people, for we ancestors. When they take away from we die, you know, and if know, man, it make you so strong. You know, it make you you know it like you know you could just roll up your hand in our fist. You know what I'm saying? If you know that boy, man, we come from a long, we come from you know, it may hard, it never easy when the colonizers they may reach now they do we one number, you know, and you have to remember not only the British Empire, the French Empire come now the Spanish Empire come now and all and then we fight.
All right, we beat up.
All and then we beat up.
All right, we beat up.
We are warriors, bro.
They are warriors.
We are warriors. We know we are not people who are easy to bring down. You know, despite our color, race, we're very resilient. We are resilient people.
Yeah, so in the time being, guys, I went behind the scene and show some of the images, right?
I think we are take a little break.
What I show it?
Right? We are take a little break
Yeah,
and then
while you show the videos, we go half we mics and come out for the set so that the people that will enjoy this segment of what Maurice captured and document when he went to our homeland, our motherland, Baliso.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So good night. Before like Maurice did that, the Lord, I want to big up Uncle Demos and the crew, the family, lucky in Las Vegas, Nevada, Candice Wood, aka Casale, lucky in Las Vegas, Nevada. Big up Josh and the crew ATL. Big up Sonny Cass, lucky in all the way to same name. Big up on yourself, guys. Well, we're here.
Yeah, big up on Shell and me, you know.
Yeah, on the live.
Yeah, man.
Big up Shella. Thank you for give us some. And big up to Angela Palacio to give us the name of the Boye. Right? But this is South Coast Podcast Ramen, and then we bring it just like how it name Ra. Right? We shoot from off the coast. Anywhere, any coast. Right? And folks, Maurice, after this, I want to share the flyer of the stuff that we do.
Yeah.
All right? We do wedding, we do funeral, we do wake, we do christening, we do anything.
Birthday,
You have a live birthday party,
formal events,
anything we do.
sporting events.
You want
Look right, actually.
okay.
Documentaries.
All right, yeah. If we will look at the right of the screen, which will be the left for you guys, right? You could see the bones of our people.
That look like one skeleton jaw.
Yeah. That's the bone of our peoples at Bali. So I mean Maurice did a wonderful job. And it's just so lucky that we just did a course on documentary.
Yeah.
So everything just come in place. Just like that.
I tell you, the ancestors when I take that course, I tell you.
Yes, man. Remember, I tell you, everybody have to attend.
I tell you, the ancestors
Everybody has to be at that the documentary, the food and festival documentary that took place earlier last month, and we were out there. We took part. See? Okay. This took place, you go widen the screen if you like to, Maurice. You go widen the screen, then we will take the mic off, and then you could feed the audio to the screen. Okay, good. So we go, okay, perfect. Well, guys, be with us. We're trying to show some of the documentary that Maurice did in our homeland.
I want to just come off of the boat.
Now when they reach,
The one when I first reached it.
on the land.
No, just reach now, Bali, so.
Correct.
I have all these videos. I watch it, man.
That's why it's all right there. On the first week. Over here, we shut out from way, you know.
Far.
From far, we could hear it, right?
So they're not beads like what we use. What you found out what they use in the shaka?
Yeah, the same beads that we use.
Ah.
With the same people.
Well, how come it's higher than us? Ours.
Well, they must have a little different skills than how they.
Yeah, they soak the thing and something, man.
So they really put in a number.
You could know it's all about.
That's the boy within the front there.
You see?
Yeah, this is how they bake the cassava over there. Right? They bake it differently, but you can see, and it's a male that takes the cassava, not like here, female.
Female.
You can see? Can you guys see that?
Oh.
I'm not saying nothing yet.
Nothing pop up yet. Nothing major yet.
Nothing major.
So here we have the female at Ayaha. We have the female that go to the farm. You see, Janona, how you come right back to how you go on a farm with the old lady. You go help with the planting and the plowing of the crop. But in our homeland, you see who bake the cassava, and it's not big like who you want to watch it. Right, Maurice? It's not big like ours. Our cassava take over the whole command. Watch that.
Yeah.
You see, when I watch a documentary, I compare and contrast.
But you don't have to be big.
You don't have to be big because we don't cut it in a form.
But if you use a smaller command, you can make it small.
Correct. But see, what's the size? While we come out, when I'm up, it's big. That's why we cassava can small. And when you cut that in a four, and a half, they go in a one bag. But man,
let's show us two more. You know, some people have an idea
of our people. How we live. Right. Man, it's just.
I want to show the ground that our ancestors was. That's where I get the actual from. Right? So you have to see it, everybody can see it.
Sure, man.
Right there. You can see that picture right there. That's how nothing can go back. That's how the ground looks. Barren. You see?
Our screen. Alright, yeah. We're back. Nothing on the screen as that. We'll see the run. We'll see the run.
Okay, yeah. Are they behind the camera right now?
Yeah, the bubble, what kind of turtle that by?
Alright then.
Charlie Marshall up online? Charlie Marshall. Yeah. You know command yet.
Sure.
We done a turtle, the turtle.
Oh, the turtle. That's the ground, man. That's the ground.
Oh, yeah. A pretty turtle too, man.
Yeah, type of turtle when they're out there. Right? So, I'll show one more. Here, and then we'll take a break and then come back.
Yeah, real. But this is our homeland, right? Sure, this is our homeland. But it's so.
I'll go you.
My granny come, man.
Yeah, right.
Great, man. Watching Mr. Lacaro. Mr. Lorenzo watching from New York. We have Mr. Serrano. Good night to you. Yes.
Make up the whole New York passe.
Everybody will lock in.
Yeah, man.
Big up on yourself. Okay.
That's like a chores right there.
Alright. Our homeland. And then we will laugh.
There.
Why Nadia?
Nadia made it there?
Yes, he's on the drum, man. I know that's him.
We got my brother Nadia, boy.
Boy. Boy.
I treat no say Nadia there, no. I treat no say Nadia there, no. I treat no say Nadia there, no.
I know the only drum he played at the premiere of, but earlier up on the screen I nearly tell him I can't tell Marie stop it and pause it. Boy, I see somebody where I know. Yeah. I see somebody where I know.
Was a good tap, bruh.
I see.
Hey.
And he called me and he mentioned it to her. He didn't mention it to me, but if you go back to one of that video, Marie's when they play drum, you could sit that day right there. Boy. But folks, it really touching tonight.
Yeah, tonight, our moment actually.
Tonight, we don't see nothing.
No man, I see it on my screen, man.
Alright. Choppy?
Yeah, this year, bruh.
Rolling this down.
That catamaran where they pull on out?
Yes, that catamaran. We had two catamarans. Yeah, that
Well, look, man, and the shares on me and do this are between me and you. Right?
So we have to take a break.
Yes. Folks, look for sponsors before we go.
We have got sponsors now we come back, man.
We'll take a little short break. I mean, this tonight our different show.
Yeah.
So we have to. I want to go at the table, at the altar. We light the candle. So we'll take a short commercial break. We'll be back, and I need to drop the dust. We'll be back. All right. Also, Mike. Yeah. Bye. Three people strong here. Bye. You know, bye. I agree with those. Bye. Put back that video. Put back that video, and he don't know. Jalu. You see? Because he said no. Right. Put back that video when you show with the drumming. Because when he go for Europe, he can't knock the small drum. But watch the video. I want to play before I go back live. Right. And watch the drill. Yes. Why my mic?
I'll be there.
We're back.
We're
We're
back.
back.
Boys, them.
We're live. Welcome to the second segment of the South Coast Podcast Raw. Yeah, big up everybody on the live. I mean, big up yourself, Mr. Charlie Mar.
Yeah, big up Mr. Charlie Mar.
You know, big up to Candice Booth, aka Casale. Right? Whole crew. The Lord. We get our
We need to go on soon. Marina go.
we get the history of where we come from tonight. I mean, Maurice had the privilege to
Experience.
our homeland, motherland. And then we come from exile the driveway. But because of our resilience, we still have a food, a culture, we want music,
Language.
we want language, we want dance. Yeah. So we are in Garifuna.
Yeah, and big up to all of the Garifuna warriors out there who fight for their cause.
Chatoye.
You know, and big up everybody who live Garifuna. You know, out there. We have to start for ourselves, right? So DYFA, I big up yourself, find it within yourself, keep a radio station that focuses on our culture, right, and on our people. So once again, we big up with sponsors for tonight, South Coast Podcast, episode 22, 12 for 2026. So big up DYFA Radio and DYFA TV, 91.7. Big up Hot Off the Press, Kush International Barbershop, Jaluna Bitters. Big up Gary Maya, BZE. Do remember, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the merch is out. No germs.
No germs. No
Right?
deal.
Get yours.
Yep.
DJ Rude Boy, Conflict Music, DJ Allah. Right? And once again, we want to say rest in peace, right, to Alan Barber Castillo. And condolences to his family and friends.
Big up to Salaman.
Yeah, big up Mr. Salaman.
Big up Mr. Salaman and the boxing crew. Next week, we have Mr. Salaman on the set. We may actually have a set for this week, but due to, the Women's Month, they are the ending, the winding, school actually they close. And so we are preparing ourselves for that next week while we discuss sports.
Yeah,
in general.
Yeah. And I also want to make mention actually that this week and next week, I think from tomorrow or day after, I think from tomorrow though, some doctors from the Cancer Society will be here. Right, I think in between Dangriga and Billy City. So if you need to say then doctors,
check on yourself.
all right, then people on the boat,
Free checkup.
Free checkup, right? I think they'll have a lot to go on, but if you need more information, just contact the Dangriga Cancer Society and they could give you more information on what is going on, right? I just have a little snippet of it, but I not got the exact thing of where they really are the DYFA, but I know they were there for almost 7 days working with our people. So on the check-in, very important, very important.
You can big up Mr. Lorenzo watching from New York. Big up the whole crew, everybody. I want to say the Lord, tonight, like I said, a very important show. We're on go home. I want to say thanks to the people for continuously watching us as we continue to try our best to inform you on some of the topics and the stuff that we bring forward to you guys. So next week, about sports, right? We team gone and played Belize City and we lost again by 1. That's all I want to say. We are touch about that next
So
week.
where were they? Were they now what? 1 and 4?
Yeah, 1 and 3.
1 and 3?
Yeah, we lose to Orange Rock, we lose
Jaluna
to...
Cup and set, man. Cup
No,
and
man,
set,
next week, Jaluna, the
Jaluna Cup and set, man.
sports.
Jaluna Cup and set, man.
No,
Cup and
sports
set,
are
man.
next week. We're not in those sports now.
Relax, man. We were
Next week, we are talking about basketball, boxing, and everything. I want to say good night, Jaluna. Next week, me and you don't talk.
Relax, man. We were talking about with bitters where we are
Oh.
next week, man.
Oh.
Relax, man.
No.
Relax.
No, you the talk.
Relax, man. Relax.
For the Easter.
Relax.
All right,
Relax.
come on, say.
Relax.
Not about sports now.
I make a tell you something.
Not about sports now. You're talking earlier about sports.
For we people, they're not the rush for we go nowhere.
Who?
For people, then they're live, then they on, then plug in.
Yeah, but we have a time span.
Right? I will start late.
So
Because you're tardiness, right? Because you're tardiness.
We have a time span.
Right?
I was here first.
So anyway,
Man,
Jaluna.
go pick up Jaluna. You're not
Anyway,
Jaluna,
welcome.
you know, Carl, I tell you, go pick you up.
Welcome and set Jaluna. We don't want to argue. Right? We don't want no argument. Right, Jaluna. We want to talk about the bitters.
All of us on you switch to my man.
We want.
All of us on you switch to my man.
But I don't tell me I switch. No, you tell me I switch. I wouldn't switch, man.
Now you. But anyway, good night, man.
Good night,
This
Jaluna.
is how we behave, you know. You don't know what I say we are said. You don't know what I say we are said. But one of these days, the camera roll our said.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we start off, right? We know Easter the call next week, right? Make sure on get on a jersey. On say the merch, no germs.
See there?
On see it? Maurice, zoom in pan the
man.
Zoom in pan the merch.
You know what germs wrong for Easter?
Yeah.
Right? Remember the boy they're not at work right now. No. So no germs.
No germs. The boy they're not at work right now.
No germs.
You check? So now get on the merch.
Yeah.
Get on the merch, people.
Get on the merch.
Right? And a good quality. Good quality. Because it's not about quantity, it's about quality. Right? So Jalo, we also know that we are the ambassadors for Jaluna Bitters. Right? So where we are this Easter, Jalo, and what flavors we are for this Easter?
Don't say it, you know.
Hold on. Yeah, Michael.
All right, Bantan.
Yeah.
Paciencia, we are there, you know.
Oh.
Paciencia, we
No
are there.
germs.
Remember that, you know. The beets bitters, turmeric bitters, cinnamon bitters, and the noni bitters.
No, in a special edition.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we come to a different level when it comes to the bitters. Because everybody know a rat race in the bitters. But right now, Jaluna exotic bitters,
Yes, sir.
beets, cinnamon, turmeric, and noni.
Yes, man.
So, Paciencia with a boat. Because remember, Tipsy Tuna, Galaxy Bars were there, you know. Remember that. All right, everything active. Easter Monday, City River, Galaxy Bars were active again there, you know.
No germs, man.
All right, respect to Galaxy Bars, you know. Because I want away still. And the youth got talent. You understand? And most of the time we fight against ourselves. I will not give respect to our own, you know. But Galaxy Bars, respect in the youth.
Don't say my lad. Appreciate it.
Rough for me. I like culture fit. Now 3 days event here, you know, and we got a little bit.
Alejo Bene Culture Fit. Yeah.
I have that.
Yeah, Alejo Bene Culture Fit. It's going to be very nice too. I think they have a good lineup going on out there. It's going to be how much days event? 3 days?
3 days.
Right?
Ella's.
Yeah.
Fine. Then I have to go to Tipsy go meet the Lord. So Maurice, you have to rest, you know. You have to get some rest for now. Because we are the boat. We are there all over for the Easter.
Yeah.
South Coast were active.
Active.
Oh, before we go, I want to
we have to, yeah.
I want to be up the DYFA. I want to be up and trail.
That's why I had to big up BZE. If you get the sense why I want to big up BZE for the merch. Right? And the work.
Right? That when the man they work, you can't get tired. When he the print, he like me. When you busy, you can't get me. So we got my son, and if you don't want the merch, any special merch you don't have on the phone, no, drop it by the man, and he fix it.
Yeah. By actually, the man active.
Yeah.
I spent like nearly whole year today with the youth, you know.
So you got it.
By me and the yo.
Man, the work.
You see,
Love the man energy.
Love the room
yes,
where
man.
everything come out of.
But I love the man energy.
Yeah.
Love you, love support you.
Yeah, man, definitely, man,
But
definitely.
I do that discipline too.
Yeah.
The man actually, the man guy looks at you, but the man not really got your kind of attitude. The man what? Yeah.
No, he calm.
He different.
I was star.
Yeah, you have to tell her.
You know, but seeing way to Jalu, you know, I want to big you up to, you know, for always, you know, look out for we, you know, and you know, all of the things, you know, the little things where you do, you know, matters. You know what I'm saying? And I really appreciate you for just, you know, step up and do you. You know what I'm saying? And man, you know, you're nourishing too. You know, you take care away. You know, you cook that nice food for way all the time. You know what I'm saying? You got me for my detox already with that watermelon juice. That just to show how serious we are for make we do what we got to do in preparation for next week. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate that.
Remember, we chatted about the phone today, right?
Yeah.
And I tell about Bantan, they said the juice bad. So you know what? You got a Galaxy Bass juice. You get me?
Yeah.
Listen to me.
Yeah.
The juice, the label by the juice of you coming from the galaxies. You understand? You understand?
Yes,
yo, we got the beats with the ginger.
See it.
Yo, listen to me.
You see it. Entrepreneurship, I go and rate a small business, I go rate that it.
Listen to me. I got different food fusion.
Yeah.
Different, yo. You understand?
Eat, man.
So that then you come in, you know. You can use the your juice business.
Yes, sir.
You have to make it active and
yes,
then
sir. Yes,
by
sir.
the gallon. By the gallon. You understand?
Yeah, what they go at me? I found the galaxies, boy. Huh? And I remember, ladies, right? We will have on hibiscus bitters where they brew up, where they come in. Yes, man. Take the loo.
Yeah,
so
man.
we are playing with that hibiscus there, just for the ladies. You know, see it.
Because the other day watermelon juice.
They got the watermelon bitters.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, but the juice bad.
Succulentals?
Yeah, man, I mean, you know, it really.
I tell Bantan.
No additives.
I tell Bantan.
Mix a bottle for
I
your cheese.
tell Bantan, let's go by the watermelon. Tell you have to pay for the watermelon. Because you want a gallon of juice, so you have to pay for the watermelon. I tell Bantan, I make 2 gallon of juice, so there's whole watermelon. And Bantan, big watermelon.
Yeah.
How it is?
Boy, succulentus, man. What do you mean? Thing harmonious. You know, see it. Nourishing, refreshing. Make me feel hype.
Alright, folks, you know, with all that said and done, all the hype, I want to celebrate up with a lot of love. But so, of course, podcast, we gotta go. We gotta buy it. Oh yeah, we have a page coming up soon. So, of course, podcast,
You never don't tell me, man.
page, no listen. So of course, Facebook page. And I also want to remind you guys to subscribe to our So of course podcast YouTube page.
Yeah.
Alright, we're almost there.
And share it.
So that we are there live, and we also we're there live YouTube on DYFA. We're there live on Facebook. We're there live Hot After Press. So we have one page after this. So we are the channel through 2 pages. Hot After Press and So of course.
Andre,
active.
I remember this. We were active near this country. I don't tell Bantan. Last time Bantan got on PG said, the Bantan we have got a waterfall, San Antonio waterfall. No, actually, the Bantan, is the problem, you know.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
Please post the services for me.
It's right there before we go, right?
Alright, guys, these are some of the things we do. And I know check your social page. And
Yeah.
the listing. I know it's in that page.
So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, right. DYFA 91.7 FM and DYFA TV. These are some of the services that we offer, right? Via radio and TV, production, streaming. We do weddings, birthdays, funerals, any party. Beluria, formal events, any sporting events or all sporting events. We do production services, like as documentaries, film production, music videos, short films, flyers, and posters, and advertisements. We also do radio services. We produce videos, ads, and live ads.
And you want MC for your event? That one store.
Yes.
One size fit all.
Yes. And book today. 615-3715.
You have family where pass away at Corozal. With the you have family where pass away at GT and on the same night. With the day, same night. Two events. We are bring over. That's the way we are right now. That's how we try right now. Remember this are for we people.
Onoga Gloria. With the day. On cat Gloria. Meow. We want the day.
Anyway, folks, good night. Live it up with a lot of love. So Barbie. Boy.
Yeah, big up my little sister Barbie.
Boy, you know what happened, right?
I hear about it.
Touch me. I try getting in touch with that man. She finally answer my voice message today. She made the press, and that's why I was trying to get in touch with her. But we are meeting in person.
But we don't condone anything there. Yeah, we don't condone anything there. Yes.
No germ.
No way. Bonfire parrot all time.
No germ.
Yeah, anybody with me, brother? It could be my girl, it could be Bantan girl, it could be your girl. Come on, brother. Come on, man. It could be anyone with me. Come on. Get off any time in there, yo. I bonfire by anything negative in this tongue, you know. And I always say, yo, one more time, I always say, motivational discrimination, you know. And domestic violence, better be
No woman violence.
We're not gonna into that.
No germs.
No germs, man. What respect, man. What respect and love, man. Look, live with love. I'm back to a tree.
Yes,
ladies and gentlemen,
good night,
boys and girls. South Coast Podcast Raw. Lord Byron from the Galaxies. A Tree Magdalena. Jaluna. We out. No germs.
We gone.
Respect.
Nice